Why change what's not broken, or what finds thousands and thousands of takers every month? You see, Kia has tasted considerable success since the launch of the Sonet 3 years ago, but it's now time for a facelift. There are quite a few changes. Wait. Before we get started, before I show you around the car, tell you what's new, make sure you subscribe to Car and Bike and hit the bell icon so you get all the updates regularly from the channel. Now, if you'll come with me, I'll tell you about what's changed at the front. As you can see, the Sonet facelift has a new front end, which to me looks a lot more like the Seltos's. This facelift is now basically making the Sonet look a little bit bigger than it was previously, thanks to the treatment for the headlight cluster. You see there's a new star map LED DRL pattern over here. The grille has also been tweaked to signify Kia's new take on the Tiger nose. You will also notice that this is wearing matte paint. This is the matte graphite paint that you get with the X-Line variant, which is the top of the line model. Also, you see the gloss black treatment for the grille and lower down over here on the front bumper. So that's exclusive to the X-Line. The standard model will get a brushed silver finish. If you'll come with me, I'll show you around the side. In profile, there's not much that has changed with the Sonet facelift. It only has a new design for the 16-inch alloy wheels. And if you'll quickly come with me to the back, once again, you will notice that it has this new design for the LED tail lights connected by a light bar. Once again, very similar to the facelifted Seltos, even though the front end of the Sonet facelift still reminds me a little bit another subcompact SUV. Can you name the one that I'm thinking of? Put the name down in the comments. Now come with me as I take a look at the inside. Step inside the Sonet facelift and you'll realize not much has changed over here. The design of the dashboard is pretty much the same as before. We still have the 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, but there is a 10.25-inch screen right in front of the driver now. There's an LCD display, which also doubles up as the display for the blind spot monitor, because the Sonet now gets 360-degree cameras as well. Along with that, there is a sunroof which you can now operate with English voice commands. There are more functions to the connected car features on this vehicle. The rear seat passengers will benefit from the addition of sunshades, and otherwise the Sonet continues to be pretty loaded. It's got all the features that you've come to expect from it over these years. It's got wireless smartphone charging, it's got ventilated seats, and if I sit down and tell you about all the details, all the features, I'll miss my flight this evening. Let's talk about safety, because the Sonet now gets 6 airbags as standard, and it also packs advanced driver assistance systems. Yes, the Sonet facelift has got level 1 ADAS, which brings 10 functions, including collision avoidance, high beam assist, and quite a few of the other functions. Along with this, there are also disc brakes on all 4 wheels, but they're not standard. It's a little bit of a missed opportunity, but I'm sure Kia will look into this going forward. Now, let's go take a look at the powertrains. Not much has changed with the Sonet's powertrain options. You still get the 1.2-litre petrol, the 1-litre turbo petrol, and the 1.5-litre diesel. But the big news is that the diesel now gets a 6-speed manual as well. So in terms of transmission options, the 1.2-litre petrol will be available with a 5-speed manual. The diesel will be available with a 6-speed manual, a 6-speed IMT, and a 6-speed torque converter automatic, while the 1-litre turbo petrol will come with the 7-speed DCT and the 6-speed IMT. Now, talking about availability, Kia has not announced the prices for the Sonet facelift as of today, but bookings will open on the 20th of December. We expect prices to go up anywhere between Rs 30,000 to Rs 70,000 depending on the variant, and the prices are likely to be announced early in January. If you're looking to get earlier delivery of the Sonet facelift, you can ask someone you know to generate a K code for you if they already own a Kia car. So, what did you think of the Sonet facelift? Is it extensive enough for your taste, or do you think Kia could have taken this opportunity to do a little bit more with this car? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any feedback for us, if you enjoyed watching this video, if you think we can improve in any way, make sure to leave your thoughts in the comment section. And if you enjoyed watching this video, found it informative, make sure to like it and share it with your friends and family.